The OdySea Aquarium Aqua Lobby was designed to really bring guests into the bottom of the ocean right away. What influenced our approach to this experience was asking, what could we do to immerse people and make them feel like they were not just looking at sea life, but were part of it?
The lobby is the perfect place to introduce an immersive experience because it's the beginning. When you step through the door, we're dropping you into the bottom of the ocean or the shores of a rocky beach with penguins around you. And it's a moment that starts off your experience with a wow factor that you just can't get anywhere else. There is not a single right-angled wall in this building. They're all curved. We have 9 fish globes hanging from the ceiling. And so in order for us to create that immersive experience, we had to work really hard around all those elements. And we also needed something that was going to create this seamless 360-degree viewing. So our vision to deliver that immersive wow experience really hindered on being able to surround the guests from floor to ceiling with video and the projection mapping. We worked with AVI-SPL really to pull everything together. The technology and systems that we have here include 12 Christie's projectors that we're using for all the projection mapping. We've also got the Christie's Pandora's Box system installed to power all of our content as well as some of the audio.
And we're using Q-SYS audio to create some of those soothing underwater sounds.
AVI-SPL were the central project managers, really bringing us all together and going through all the different iterations, pushing each team member and each company to really deliver on the final end vision and seeing the progress along the way. AVI-SPL were the ones who found all the subs, managed them, were really the point people every night on this project. We really relied on them to be trusted partners and to both help us navigate through the complexities, but also to educate us along the way on what was happening so that eventually, when the project was done and they left, that we could manage it on our own. The introduction of the projection mapping into the lobby has transformed the lobby from what used to be a transactional space into a wow moment. It's been really fun for us to sit back and watch. You can see parents and kids walk in and they immediately start pointing up and looking at everything. And for us, that's super exciting because they haven't even walked in and seen any real animal yet, and already they're excited about their adventure that lies ahead.